Feeling stiff? Want to stay strong and mobile as you age? Pilates is a fantastic way to build strength, improve flexibility, and protect your joints, all from the comfort of your home. Today, I'll walk you through 5 easy Pilates exercises that are perfect for your 50s and 60s. No fancy equipment needed, just a mat and a few minutes of your time. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Shoulder bridge. Great for back support and core strength. First up, the shoulder bridge. An excellent move to strengthen your core, glutes, and lower back. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Press through your feet and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Hold for a second, then slowly lower back down. Do 8 to 10 reps moving with control. No rushing. This exercise keeps your spine flexible and strong. 2. Bicycle crunch. Strengthens core and improves mobility. Next, we've got bicycle crunches. Fantastic for keeping your core strong and engaged. Start on your back, hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders slightly, then bring one knee toward your chest while twisting your opposite elbow toward it. Switch sides, like pedaling a bike. Go slow and steady. Form matters more than speed. Aim for 10 to 15 reps per side. Third standard plank, full body stability and core strength. Now let's fire up your entire body with a standard plank. This move builds core strength, balance, and posture. Start in a push-up position on your hands or forearms. Keep your body straight, abs engaged, and shoulders relaxed. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, or as long as you can with good form. If you feel strain in your lower back, try dropping to your knees. It's just as effective. 4. Cat and cow. Gently loosens the spine. Now let's loosen up that spine with cat and cow. A gentle but powerful stretch. Get on all fours with hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone. This is cow. Exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest. This is cat. Move slowly with your breath. Do 8 to 10 rounds. Feels great, right? 5th, side plank. Builds balance and core strength. Last but not least, the side plank. This one strengthens your core and improves balance, which is key for staying active as you age. Lie on your side, propping yourself up on your forearm. Stack your feet or stagger them for balance. Lift your hips and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. If this feels too intense, keep your bottom knee on the mat for extra support. Still super effective. And that's it. 5 simple Pilates exercises to keep you strong, balanced, and flexible. Start with 1 round, and as you get stronger, try 2 or 3. Consistency is key. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. Stay active, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.